Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use shape as text box right in our Microsoft Word document. I want to go right up here and click on Insert. Now when I click on Insert, it will bring down the ribbon. Right, so you notice right here, illustration. You're going to click on Shape. Now we're going to select this shape here. You notice the cursor become plus. So hold on the left side of the mouse, right touchpad, and drag it to your right. You notice the color inside of it. In order for you to change that, you're going to come right up here. That's a shape, style. Click right the look pointer right here. You're going to choose this one. And this is what it looks like. So definitely, if you type something, you notice it actually show in the middle. Ready? But if you click like that, you notice there's a border around it. You can move it up and down. But if I want to get rid of the border, you notice, you click it. And when you click it, you notice this format word format come up. So you want to click on that. Notice right up here, there's a shape style. You're going to click right at this little pointer. Side a shape fill. You're going to go down to the word no fill. Now you're going to go right here to say shape outline. Click on the little pointer and click on no outline. If you notice, you haven't seen it around it. But if you want to move it, just click and move it. Just the same if I put it right here to the corner. Click like that to notice. If I come right like this and get way up, you notice. You can put it anywhere. And this is how you use shape as text box right in the Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.